I finally got to eat at 6 themed restaurants inside Hong Kong Disneyland Park, and here's everything I ordered. But before that, you can book your Hong Kong Disneyland Park tickets and dining meal vouchers through Agoda using the code DANICASPIC for more savings. So, let's go. 1 is Royal Banquet Hall in Fantasyland, a banquet fit for true royalty. My favorite dish here is the mixed grill combo with a side of white rice to complete my day. 2 is the Starliner Diner in Tomorrowland. My go-to order is the fried chicken combo, which comes with 2 pieces of fried chicken, fries, and the drink. It's a comfort meal for the kids and kids at heart. 3 is the Comet Cafe in Tomorrowland. If you're a rice person like me, this is the place to be. I got the teriyaki beef and scrambled eggs with rice combo, and it was really good. You can never go wrong with Asian cuisine. 4 is Golden Crocus Inn in World of Frozen. Step into Arendelle and enjoy its special delights. My usual order here is the Royal Chicken Roll. It's healthy, filling, and delicious. Kids would love it too. 5 is Wayfinder's Table in Adventureland. I got the Wayfinder's roasted chicken leg with Grandma's signature rice. The spices gave it a surprising kick that I really like. It's a simple but comforting dish. And 6 is Clopin's Festival of Foods in Fantasyland. I ordered the pineapple and seafood fried rice with pork floss combo. Healthy, fully loaded, and the perfect meal to end my day inside the park. Plus, I got chicken wings as a side, and it was definitely a happy meal. So that's it for now. Follow for more Hong Kong tips.